How to reset Discover Bank login password. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily reset Discover Bank's login password in quick few steps. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and search for Discover Bank, or go to discover.com to log into your account. You'll find a big login button at the top right corner of your screen, or you could even go to your menu icon at the left side to go to online banking. Once you are here on the login page, all you have to do is just go ahead and enter your user ID and password. If you forgot your user ID and password, tap on this icon down below right here. Then you can just use which account login information do you need. For example, if it's for banking, tap on forgot password for banking. They will ask you for a few verification steps like your last digits of social security number, date of birth, mother's maiden name if you've added this for your security reasons. Then tap on continue. They'll send you a reset code on your phone or your registered email. Just enter the code to continue on, and you should be able to use the new password to log into your account. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you are able to recover your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.